To make Chicken Seekh Kebabs, you'll need the following ingredients and follow these steps. Ingredients: 500 grams ground chicken, preferably thigh meat. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 2-3 green chilies, finely chopped, adjust according to your spice preference. 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. 2 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon fresh mint leaves, finely chopped. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to your spice level. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 2 tablespoons gram flour, besan. Salt to taste. Wooden skewers, pre-soaked in water for 30 minutes. Instructions. In a large mixing bowl, combine the ground chicken, finely chopped onions, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves, mint leaves, garam masala, ground cumin, ground coriander, red chili powder, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, and lemon juice. Add the gram flour, besan, to the mixture. This helps to bind the kebabs and prevents them from falling apart while cooking. Season the mixture with salt according to your taste. Mix all the ingredients well using your hands, making sure everything is evenly incorporated. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1-2 hours, or even overnight. This resting time allows the flavors to melt together and enhances the taste. Preheat your grill or oven to medium-high heat. Take the skewers and divide the chicken mixture into equal portions. Wet your hands slightly with water to prevent the mixture from sticking and shape each portion around the skewer, forming elongated kebabs. Place the skewers on the preheated grill or in the oven on a baking tray lined with aluminum foil. Grill or bake the kebabs for about 15-20 minutes, turning them occasionally until they are cooked through and have a nice golden brown color on the outside. Once cooked, remove the kebabs from the heat and let them rest for a few minutes. Serve the delicious Chicken Seekh Kebabs hot with mint chutney, onion rings, and lemon wedges. Enjoy.